Pepe tokens are on fire right now in Wall Street Pepe. We're going to be talking about it in this video. Wall Street Pepe closing in on $50 million raised. Guys, we are talking about potentially one of the best cryptocurrencies, one of the best meme coins of 2025. And I'm extremely excited about it because I own a lot of Wall Street Pepe. We're going to be jumping into this article because an $800 million surge in Pepe is causing a lot of excitement across the meme coin world. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, $800 million volume surge in Pepe as Wall Street Pepe closes in on $50 million. Now, if at any time during this video you are interested in buying Wall Street Pepe, it is a very simple process. Click that link in the description or the pinned comment. And then from there, you can choose to buy with crypto or buy with card. If you need help buying with cryptocurrency, I do have a full walkthrough tutorial. Simply type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe. I'm going to put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on. It makes it a very simple process. $49.5 million. I don't doubt that they pass $50 million today. This right here, they're going to, guys, you know, these timers have been ticking down like $1 million every 2 days. It's not even going to take 16 hours for another $100,000 to be raised. The demand is increasing, doing about $750 to $1 million a day in overall inflows. People are once again buying Wall Street Pepe at a record pace. So pay attention to it. If you guys want to get in before the price rises drastically, make sure that you guys, act fast, because it's either going to hit this threshold, 16 hours, going to tick down, and then, of course, it's going to do it all over again until its launch day. But let's jump into this article before we talk a little bit more about what Wall Street Pepe is. Now, it says Pepe has dipped by about 0.3% in the last 24 hours, with the meme coin slipping back down to 1732 points, as the crypto market gains roughly 1% today. Now, this fall means that Pepe is now down by 6% on the week and 26% on the month, although the Ethereum-based coin retains its impressive 1,300% gain. Guys, that is a 14x increase over the last year. Now, while it has fallen today, 24-hour trading volume stands at $800 million, marking a 20% uplift or uptick from where it was just a couple of days ago. This suggests that it could be on the brink of a new rally, with data showing that some whales have begun accumulating the coin once again. Pepe sees $800 million volume surge. Are whales secretly accumulating? Now, whales aren't secretly accumulating. Guys, whales are buying in. And one of the catalysts that they're buying in ahead of is the administration change here in the United States. That's going to take place in the next couple of days, and a lot of people are very excited about the gains that the overall crypto market could see. If we see, go back to November 5th, right? If we see a speculative rally following the new administration that we saw following the election, we could see Bitcoin hitting all-time highs. $110, $120, maybe $150,000. Meme coins soaring to all-time highs, with Pepe rising, and tiny little tokens like Wall Street Pepe stand to gain the most. Why? Small market cap, extreme demand, Pepe popularity, and an exclusive trading group that they're building. Now, my most important focus is the money. It's the demand. It's how many people are buying, how many people are excited, whales, and so on. Second, and clearly Wall Street Pepe is taking #1 spot right now. Second, Elon Musk. The dude has been talking about Pepe nonstop over the last couple of weeks here, really over the last month or so, and I believe that he will continue to do so, and that's going to drive the popularity of these Pepe tokens and drive the demand for these Pepe tokens even higher. Finally, this could be the best reason of them all, but finally, the utility. Wall Street Pepe is building a trading group that you need to own Wall Street Pepe if you're going to have access to. Think about it like a private Discord, a private Patreon, whatever you want to think of it like, private Telegram. These guys are going to go out there and make their cryptocurrency calls. Now, I'll be the first to admit, I do not think they're geniuses, and I do not think that they have any information that we don't have. But what I think they might have: community, numbers, people, and a lot of money ready to make money. And if that's the case, they could end up being very similar to Wall Street bets. Guys, Wall Street bets back in 2020 and 2021, those guys were fools, right? They were talking about bankrupt companies left and right in their group. But every time that they did, it didn't matter how terrible the company was, it saw 5, 10x gains. And that's simply because the people in the group went out and bought it. If that's what you end up with Wall Street Pepe, not only are people going to make a ton of money buying Wall Street Pepe token, they're going to make a ton of money trading the tokens that are talked about in this group. So if you guys are interested in Wall Street Pepe, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you use that official link. If you guys Google this stuff, you're probably going to click on something wrong. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.